Yeah. Jeep Liberty. The window regulator. They're known to snap. It's no longer attached, so it's no longer able to pull the window up because it's a Daimler Chrysler product. So we're gonna replace that. Gotta take the door card out first, though.
One there. You gotta undo that screw. So once you unscrewed that screw,
Two, it looks
then you unscrew that screw. We got a little screwdriver. Look at that. Pops right out. You lose it on the ground. Never see it again. Woo! There it went. Oh, we got a Phillips in there. There's that one. You put them down there where they won't get lost. Then you start kind of just ripping on her, if I remember right. Yeah, sounds good. This on your neck. All right. One harness, and it's a simple presser down. This, which is the actuator for the door handle, snap the little plastic keeper off the metal rod, rotate it to the side, and it comes right out. And then all you're left with is having to pull the weather seal. You peel this off. And let's see if you can keep it in the right spot. You're just gonna want to route a couple of these guys through here. Get that little harness cable through there. Feed this through here. One. Hi. After some further in-depth analysis and research, which was realizing that there's screws back here that need to come out, we're gonna remove the door speaker here. 3 Phillips. That'll allow us to be able to pull off the whole weather guard, get it out of the way. A little clip-a-rooney there, easy. Not like a Volkswagen clip. We got a Daimler Chrysler product here. Just kind of yoink the rest of this puppy off. Find where that connector. There's a little slide, side to side slide. You slide it aside, and then the whole thing just yoinks right off. There's all that. Is getting this plugged in, is just this little doodad here.
Oh, baby. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. What's it rubbing on you?
I don't know. I mean, it's like, this is aligned a little bit differently. This is too, than it was. So I can still that a little bit. Well, yeah, I was thinking the same thing, but they're all the same length in there.
Right.
Try going up now. Down. I think we just gotta clean the glue off too, the double-sided.
One thing to note for the mounting screws on the rail that the window rides up and down on, they do give you shorter screws, so we put those in, otherwise it doesn't clear the window when it comes down. So
the whole assembly is a little bit different between the TYC replacement piece here and what the factory one was like in terms of how it operated and everything, but bolts up and seems to work, so just make sure you use the right hardware.